All right, y'all. What we got here today is the Magic Mouse by Apple. I picked this up from Best Buy for about $99. I got the space gray color. It also comes in silver for $79. They quite old, but we're gonna do a little unboxing today. Got a Apple Magic Mouse 2, space gray. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. Let's see what we get in the box. Just like any other Apple product. Boom, there we go. Got the Apple Magic Mouse. First impressions, it's very small, compact design. And as you can see, this is the space gray color. Kind of look closer to black. Let's see what else they give us in the box. Okay, that's everything in the box. All right, y'all. Comes with a manual, instructions, everything Apple wanted to give you right here. We got a black Apple charging cable. They give you a black one. They color code with each color mouse. Silver one gets a white one. Black one gets a black. All right, let's look at the mouse itself. All right, y'all. Here you go, the mouse. Pretty neat design. Sleek, small, compact. The mouse only weighs 3.5 ounces. And you have the two rails on the back. You can see that it's a Magic Mouse 2 because it doesn't have a door, chargeable door for the batteries, just a charging port. You got the on-off switch. You got the sensor right here. On-off switch goes green when you turn it on. Built-in battery. The built-in battery can last about 9 hours off just a 2-minute charge. If it's fully charged, you can get about a month out of it. Great battery life. One downside, you can't use it while it's on the charger because they put the charging port on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to show y'all how to pair the mouse to any computer, iMac, MacBook, any Apple computer. There's actually two ways you can pair this Apple mouse to the computer. One way is with the cord that they provide. Plug this right in and plug it to your computer if it has a USB output. The second way is Bluetooth on the computer. You go to settings, go to Bluetooth, connect new device, and choose Magic Mouse. All right, y'all, here we go. We're about to connect the Magic Mouse with our computer. We power the mouse on. Then we go up on our computer, go to Bluetooth settings, open Bluetooth preferences. When you get here, here it is, Magic Mouse 2. Press connect. Connected, easy as that. Now let's use the mouse. Mouse works good. All right, y'all, right here in the settings, you can change the stroll direction of the mouse, change the secondary click, smart zoom. You can double tap to smart zoom, double tap again to zoom out. You can change the tracking speed. Battery life is right here. Here's the gestures. Swipe between pages. You can use one finger. Swipe between full screen apps. Use 2 fingers. Mission control, double tap with 2 fingers. All right, y'all, that's all I got for y'all in this video. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Fuego, that's a hit.